Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to fix asymmetric body scoliosis? Let's explore. Scoliosis, characterized by an abnormal lateral curvature of the spine, often leads to asymmetry in the body. While fixing scoliosis entirely can be challenging, there are several strategies to help manage the condition, reduce asymmetry, and improve overall quality of life. Physical therapy is a crucial component in managing scoliosis. A physical therapist can design a personalized exercise program to strengthen the muscles that support the spine, improve flexibility, and enhance posture. Specific exercises like core strengthening, stretching, and activities that promote spinal alignment can help reduce asymmetry. Schroth method is a specialized physical therapy approach specifically for scoliosis. This method involves exercises tailored to each individual's unique spinal curvature to improve alignment, posture, and muscle balance. The exercises are designed to lengthen the spine and improve its symmetry. Bracing is often recommended for children and adolescents with scoliosis to prevent further progression of the curve. A well-fitted brace can help support the spine and reduce the degree of curvature over time, which can improve body symmetry. Bracing is most effective when worn as prescribed and combined with physical therapy. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are important. Activities like swimming, yoga, and Pilates can help strengthen the back and core muscles, improve flexibility, and promote better posture. Maintaining a healthy weight also reduces extra stress on the spine and joints. Posture correction is another essential aspect. Being mindful of maintaining good posture throughout daily activities can help reduce the strain on the spine and muscles. Ergonomic adjustments in the workplace and home can support better posture. In severe cases where non-surgical treatments are ineffective, surgical intervention may be necessary. Spinal fusion surgery is the most common procedure for severe scoliosis. It involves straightening the spine and fusing the affected vertebrae together to prevent further curvature. This surgery can significantly reduce asymmetry and improve the overall appearance and function of the spine. Regular monitoring by healthcare providers is essential. Routine checkups with a spine specialist can help track the progression of scoliosis and adjust treatment plans as needed. In summary, fixing asymmetric body scoliosis involves a combination of physical therapy, specialized methods like the Schroth method, bracing, regular exercise, posture correction, and, in severe cases, surgery. Regular monitoring by healthcare providers ensures the most effective management of the condition and helps improve overall body symmetry. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.